Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here with another dupe Friday. So if you want to see what I dupe out, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so first we're gonna dupe out some blush. So I'm gonna go ahead, create a nice little look, and then we can talk about the blush. I'm gonna just do something really quick. So I'm using this is the Berries by Juvia's Place. I don't even know if they still carry this. So this is a T9. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm putting this shade right here. And this is a T14. I'm gonna put this like right here. I think I need a mirror where I can see kind of close. And this is a 216, a white 216 from Lady Makeup by Yolondo. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and like buff this. And now I'm gonna go back to this brush and just blend this again. I want to do this pimple right here. I know it looks so gross. Yeah, sometimes I'll get this pimple and I'll just do the most to it. And now we're just gonna put a little glitter glue. Like right here. And then we're gonna use this brush. This is a Luxie 245. And I think I'm just gonna, I don't want anything like super really outstanding. So maybe we'll go into this shade right here. Just try to blend this so it's, because this can look messy or kind of like not separated. This is an M506 and I'm gonna use this because I don't want the edges of this to be so harsh. Also back to that dark shade. I like these shades together. I feel like they look really pretty on me. They look real pretty. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Let us finish my face real quick and then we can go in. So this is my Drunk Elephant mineral cream and this is in shade Cacao. Just a little bit. And this also have SPF 30. Do not forget your SPF. Some days you could just put this alone, you know, if you're not really feeling the makeup. Okay, well, I just dropped something. That happens. I feel like I have this. This is from Smith and Court, but I feel like it's too dark. So I'm gonna mix it with my Bobbi Brown foundation. So I'm mixing Bobbi Brown Skinwear Weightless foundation with Smith Filled Thread. Mix it like that. And then I've got a pretty good shade. Because I think the Smith one is too dark and then the Bobbi one is too light. Sometimes you gotta make it work for you. and I have these two foundations, so I feel like both of these foundations have a pretty light coverage, but that's okay because I'm in Texas and I am not trying to be, you know, go too heavy with my stuff because it's just so hot. And same thing, I'm gonna use my Forever HD Skin Concealer, and I'm gonna leave this dry for a little bit because that's how I get the most coverage. But this is not a super heavy, like full coverage concealer, but that's okay because my foundation today is kind of light. Sometimes you gotta, you know, mix that up. This is actually from Makeup Forever, and this is a foundation stick, but I use it as a contour stick. You know, maybe I'll do like this will be my next dupe Friday, because I have another foundation stick that I also use for contour. Actually, I have two, and this will be like, you know, to show you, like, do a dupe to kind of show you how you can use your stuff for other things and not just like makeup is so expensive. Like, you can buy a pretty inexpensive foundation stick like this one. I think it's only like maybe $10, if all that, or maybe $7. So I can't use it for foundation, unfortunately, because, you know, although maybe I can try, I would have to do a lot of work to it to make it work, but maybe go with a super light concealer to kind of blend it out, but I'm pretty sure I could make it work. While we let the concealer kind of set for a bit, let me go ahead and put my lashes on. I don't know, man, like lately I'm having the hardest time with my lashes. Like, it wants to be lifting and doing all this nonsense. I'm like, what are we doing? Like, this kind of lash behavior is when I first started doing makeup, and my lashes just won't stay. And like, we're way past that. Like, way past that. So I'm gonna use my slick brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo, and we're gonna blend this concealer. I don't know, for some reason this concealer looks really yellow on camera, not sure why. But it's kind of light when I put it, when I'm not on camera. This is so light coverage that you can literally see everything. But that's fine. So I couldn't find my mirror. And then I literally just... These things be, I feel like, messing with me, you know. Let's use this Nikki Joy powder again. I actually use this again. I like this powder, I just don't like the smell. It has a pretty strong scent, not as strong as the Huda Beauty one, but it's definitely there. But it's a nice, you know, powder. I just don't like stuff with a smell like that. Then I'm using my Micro Smooth powder from Sephora. Nice and broken, but it still works. Some days I feel like my back is like, I just want to crack everything. Maybe I need to go to like a chiropractor and have them like pop my back, because some days I need it to be popped. Okay, I'm gonna put like a little bit of that shade that's on the edge right here. Let's just see, we're gonna make this so quick. So this I'm gonna put you guys will see like right here. And then I'm gonna put my Fake It in my waterline. I'm gonna use my MAC Balancing in rich golden finish, and my Alleyoop brush. And then let us go. I'm still using that same, just a different. Okay, now let us jump into the blushes. So today I'm gonna dupe out French Rosette from HAUS Labs and the Bashful from L'Oreal Paris and Enchanted. So, oops. And I just broke this thing. I'm so rough. So we're gonna go in with one brush on this side. So we're using the L'Oreal. So this we definitely have to build up. Like I'm really going in. And then nothing. Oh my god, this is doing nothing, guys. Like nothing. Now look at this. I feel like all this is doing is giving me a little glow. And now I'm gonna go in with the HAUS Labs one on this side. Like look at this, like instant. So we already know where this is gonna land. Oops! That's not what I didn't mean to do this. Oh god. But this is like nothing. Like you can barely see this. I'm gonna go back to this brush. Like I feel like you just see a little glow. Well, look at this. I even need to blend this out a bit. Like I look like I'm only wearing blush on one side. I might have to, like, when I'm done with the video, like go in with this on the other side. Like look at this. And then look at this. Like it literally looks like I'm only wearing blush. Like one side, which, guys, I can already tell you I'm gonna have to put blush on the other side, but for the purpose of the video we're not gonna do that. I'm gonna use this brush from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is from Glam. Nope, we're not wearing that. So squish that. Like what's his face? Randy would be like, that's a no for me, dog. So I'm gonna go to my Juvia's Place one. Then I'm just gonna put like a little. So this is Mocha from Estee Lauder. Is a double wear line. Let's see if this is even gonna line. Yep, it still works. This is from Tower and it's just chill, like just a light gloss. So let us talk about these blushes, right? So we have the HAUS Lab blush, which is $32, and then we have the L'Oreal Paradise Bashful blush, which is $10.32, but I think it's like on sale. I think it's $6.84 on Amazon. But let us talk about this. So this is the HAUS Lab, and this is the Paradise Enchanted from L'Oreal. I feel like this is gonna give me a glow, but no real color or like pigmentation. And then I went in and like rub it and put it here, and then still nothing. Whereas this, tap my brush and then, you know, it was there instantly. So question of the day, is this a dupe? No. If you have it and you love it, great. I wouldn't go out and buy it. I think it's not a dupe. I know the HAUS Labs one is much more expensive, but if you get it, you're gonna have that brush forever. Pretty well. You don't want to have it forever, right? Because makeup do expire, but you're gonna have it for a minute and you'll be able to get like your full use out of it, because you know, you just have to put a little bit and get the pigmentation that you want. But with the L'Oreal one, you have to go in and go in and go in, so I would not recommend this. So yeah, so that's it guys for this Dupe Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
A couple steps, but in slow mo.